Today we are tackling one of the most fiercely debated math puzzles on the internet, 20 divided by 2, followed immediately by 4 minus 2 in parentheses. Depending on how your brain interprets the priority of the operators, you will likely get one of two completely different answers, 20 or 5. Pause the video right now, calculate the value in your head, and drop your honest answer in the comments. According to the foundational rules of the order of operations, our absolute mandatory first move is to evaluate what's inside the parentheses. The letters in PEMDAS dictate that group boundaries outrank all standalone multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction outside them. This makes the interior subtraction our absolute starting position. Let's execute our first step inside the brackets. We subtract 2 from 4, which gives us a clean value of 2. We drop that result back into place, updating our running expression layout. This brings the problem down to 20 divided by 2, with a 2 inside the parentheses. Now we must address a critical point that causes massive confusion: the 2 sitting directly against the parentheses. In algebra, when a number sits right outside brackets with no visible symbol between them, it represents standard implicit multiplication. Now that the interior of the parentheses is reduced to a single number, the brackets no longer act as a grouping tool. Rewriting the expression with an explicit multiplication sign reveals our true running problem: 20 divided by 2 times 2. We are left with two operations, division and multiplication. A common trap is assuming multiplication must happen first because the letter M comes before D in PEMDAS. In modern mathematics, multiplication and division share the exact same priority rank. When they appear in the same string, you must evaluate them strictly from left to right, just like reading a sentence. This means division takes precedence here simply because it appears first on the left. Let's execute the division at the front of the expression. We divide 20 by 2, which evaluates cleanly to 10. Dropping that result back into place simplifies our problem down to one final basic operation: 10 times 2. Now we perform the final multiplication step to finish the calculation. Multiplying 10 by 2 gives us our definitive, mathematically correct answer of exactly 20. If you got an answer of 5, you accidentally multiplied 2 by 2 early, which violates the strict left-to-right rule. Did you catch the equal priority rule and get 20, or did your brain fall for the multiplication priority trap? Let me know in the comments below, hit that follow button, and I will see you in the next breakdown.